Top scientists spend an average of 15.4 months in complete solitude before making their groundbreaking discoveries. But what really happens to their brains during this time? Einstein isolated himself for over 2 years, Darwin for 5, and Tesla for 4. Their minds were in a state of hypervigilance, constantly analyzing and reworking their ideas. This intense focus allowed them to recognize patterns and connections that others missed. But what cost? Their relationships suffered, their health declined, and some even lost touch with reality. The key to their success was not just the time alone, but also the deliberate rejection of external influences. By disconnecting from the world, they were able to tap into a deeper level of creativity and problem-solving ability. But this approach is not unique to scientists. Many artists, writers, and innovators have also used solitude as a catalyst for their work. The question remains, can we replicate this effect without sacrificing our well-being and relationships? Some argue that the benefits of solitude outweigh the costs, while others claim it's a recipe for disaster. As we explore this phenomenon further, we'll examine the darker side of solitude and the potential long-term consequences. From the extreme isolation of pioneers like Tesla to the more subtle effects on modern-day creatives, we'll investigate the unseen pattern behind top scientists' most famous breakthroughs. What secrets did they uncover in their time alone? And how can we apply these lessons to our own lives? Join us as we delve into the world of scientific isolation and explore the mysteries that lie within. But be warned, the truth behind these discoveries may challenge everything you thought you knew about creativity and innovation. As we examine the extremes of scientific isolation, we'll ask, what really happens to our brains when we push ourselves to the limit? And will the secrets they uncovered in their solitude be enough to propel humanity forward? Or will it lead us down a dark path? One thing is certain, the pursuit of knowledge comes with a steep price. But for those who are willing to take the risk, the rewards may be worth it. So let's embark on this journey together and uncover the unseen pattern behind top scientists' most famous breakthroughs. But first, we need to confront the uncomfortable truth. What really happens to our brains when we push ourselves to the limit? The answer lies in the depths of human psychology, where creativity and innovation meet the dark side of solitude. As we explore this phenomenon further, be prepared for a journey that will challenge everything you thought you knew about human potential. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind top scientists' most famous breakthroughs and explore the unseen pattern of scientific isolation.